Hello. Could you use a wonderful product to help you with your itching, missing edges, or are you thinning? Are you balding? And are you wearing that bad wig or weave because you simply have to and you're ashamed of not wearing your hair in public? Well, I have the answer for you. You can now restore your hair. I know you're saying you heard all this before, but I have the answers. I have many testimonials to show you. This is none other than our Deserve professional hair care products. These products truly care. We have a treatment system that's high quality, that stops all of that stubborn and that excessive shedding that allows you to have to wear a wig or weave. This is our top seller, which is the Damage Reversal Elixir Oil. It thickens your hair, it lengthens your hair, and it also clears up those stubborn cowlicks and edges that you've been trying to get back. But we also have our Deserve Derma Roller where we added this in where you can remove the stubborn skin on the scalp and also add stimulation to your hair while you're rolling your derma roller. You can put your elixir on and get your hair back. It has moisture in it. It's a true performance. And men, you can also grow your beards. This is our shampoos, and we also have the wonderful conditioner that is none other than a silk milk. This is the satin moisture. It's a thickening agent and it also minimizes the gray. We have also a wonderful product called the apple cider vinegar rinse. It detoxifies your hair, giving you that wonderful weightless feel, adding some strength to your hair, enhancing your color, and allowing your hair to detangle and go through it and detoxify your hair to restore your hair and sealing that cuticle and minimizing your shedding. We have a wonderful line. We want you to go over to our website at deservehealthyhair.com because you simply deserve your glory back. Also, go to our Instagram page under Deserve Healthy Hair or our Facebook page under Deserve Professional Hair Care Products because you simply deserve it.